My name is Amber Wilson, and I'm working with We Are One on a campaign to create 2 social media posts, one for the United States and one for India, that would include text, images, and logos matching both countries, where the social media post will appear in the hopes that we can reduce racial prejudice. So here are the 2 individual posts using the logos created for We Are One in the different countries and the images used earlier from video 3 in the various countries. So first we'll start with the American image on the left. We are one. It says we are one nation, one people, we are one. Together we stand and divided we fall. Help us in the fight to work together no matter our differences. Help us in our fight to reduce and end racial prejudice once and for all. Join us on July 4th as we march as one colorful collection of people, equal once and for all, as it should be. Hashtag we are one, hashtag end racism, hashtag one people, hashtag one nation. Now this is referencing again, the hashtag We Are One. This is connecting with social media in different ways. People can click on these links and associate us in different social media sites. It's also drawing attention to ending racism. It's drawing attention to one people. We're all together in this fight. It's drawing attention to our nation. America is associated with one nation, whereas in the Indian post, I put One India, hashtag One India. We're also drawing attention to our organization, We Are One, the hashtag We Are One. Now, with the Indian image, I use just a little bit different verbiage. It says instead of We Are One Nation, it says We Are One Country, one people, We Are One. Together we stand and divided we fall. Help us in the fight to work together no matter our differences. Help us in our fight to reduce and end racial prejudice once and for all. Join us in Holi and help us celebrate the sacred festival of color. Let us be together and end this foolishness that is inequality of race. And now, persuasive images are used daily on social media. Rasmussen states, when describing ourselves to the social world, we inevitably use the very best images of ourselves. We visually frame ourselves in the best light possible. This is evident of the 2 images shown. In the American image, we're showing children of all races, different sizes, with the patriotic colors, the red, white, and blue. We're showing a little red-haired girl. It looks like an African-American child, somebody of Asian descent, a blonde smiling boy, a Hispanic child in the background. For the Indian image, we're showing all the different colors, the hands coming together, melting pot of togetherness. Another use of persuasive images on social media is marketing. Images are used to display items, products, and services. These images are used to attract the eyes of viewers. Social media users must consider that you only have a sliver of the moment to catch the eyes of a potential client. Using these images that use culturally familiar visuals is also helpful because it draws the eye in.